Oh,
Liam ba?
na siya. Kaya kuyog.
Presa.
Silang duha.
Naan na mi ilang wuwa, maghalang-halang mi.
Makadumi manok dito.
Okay.
Kapoy, rosin food.
Ingkoy paluto daw na tanang sud.
Atay, what?
It's one day. One day. Na 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 na. Hooray! Hi, Mamura! Uy, may pagkuyog ka. Hello, Mamura! Come here, Mr. Victor. Oy, you want massage or kuan? I'm just unemployed myself. I don't have a company yet. No. Yeah. I hope soon. You are a lawyer. You have your own company na, Mr. Victor. That's why you help kuan. You help other kuan, other people. Heart of mine. Hi, Mamura. And I know she's dying. La 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 la. Come here, Mr. Victor.
Nasa bato, right?
Nasa bato sila.
Ang mga garpod.
He's laid in Bato, Toledo City.
Alamin niyo na siya?
Wala, oy. Wala kuan. Say wife. Wala kay wife, Mr. Victor. Girlfriend ra, girlfriend. Yeah. It's been a long kuan na, Mr. Victor. It's been a long time. You are not visit here in salon. Getting close to 3 months I am here. Oh. Yeah. Almost kuan na, Mr. Victor. 3 months you stay here in in Toledo. March. Ay, no. February. March, April. Yeah, almost 3 months. La 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 la. Over and over again. Hello, 4 million viewers. No wife or girlfriend. Need work first. You need work first. You have work naman, but you don't have kuan pa. You don't have girlfriend or wife. You have a work naman. No problem naman kay you have kuan. You have work already. The problem is you don't have kuan. I got to the Philippines on February 12. Yeah. It's almost 3 months na, Victor, Mr. Victor. Kaya February, March. Yeah, February, March. Yeah, almost pa na. La 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 la. Over and over again.